I woke up not so long ago. I'll be receiving my mother today, and I've decided to vlog the whole process. I'll pick her up from the station later in the day, and yeah, I'll take you guys along. Hi y'all. Is everyone fine? Good morning to you all. Good afternoon, evening, wherever you are, what time of the day you are watching. Greetings to you all. Okay. Look at how crusty I look. I see you later. Outfit of the day with my wig. Outfit for work. Okay, see ya. Okay, I'm off to work. Hopefully today is a good day. I have to change this hairstyle. I'm going to get Wache. Wache, food Wache. Oh, she didn't come. I have to call my friend to get me Wache. I'm almost at work. Why is my tone changing? Yeah, that's funny. I'm late. Kaka. Great. Okay, I'm at work now. This is my desk. My desk. So, what should I even say? Alright, I'm about to start work, so I'll talk to you guys later. Okay. Well, I'm not really about to start work. I'll maybe take my breakfast and do some planning, organize my things, plan my day well, and then I'll start work. Alright. See ya. Okay, so Mama Bear just called to inform me that the hair bus has taken off. So from Takoradi to Kumasi is approximately 6 hours. So we'll be expecting her around 2:01. Alright. An update. Okay, bye. I'm going to. Hey, what do you mean? Bye. See ya. Okay, bye. See you, Jenny. Pick up mommy up. Okay, bye. Okay, so Mom has called. She's almost at the terminal, so I'm going to meet her. I had to leave work a bit early. Let's go and meet Mommy. Why, Papa? My mama. My mama. It's better than my mom. Come meet you. Welcome to Oseikrom. Your Highness. My beautiful mama. Very person, John. Osai. But we have picked her up. Check junction. Any uncle bleed the band or fine. What dear? Video in account. You may win me film I. Goodbye, bye-bye, my dearest mom. Okay. Mama and daughter. Oh,
Oh, massive. Oh,
look at the video, man.
massive. It's too long. Ah.
That's it. You miss me.
I've missed you already. I've missed you already, my girl, my baby, my naughty.
Okay, bye. Hello, this is the end of the vlog. Sorry I had to end it this way. My mom was not availing herself for me to record her. But yeah, this is my attempt at vlogging. I know it was all over the place, but I just hope you enjoyed the little I could do. Feel me? Okay, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you have not subscribed, kindly do subscribe and watch the video. If you watch the video to this point, Charlie, thank you so much. All right, I came back from work and I'm going to eat and bath and sleep. I love you all. I love you all so much. All right, bye.